Welcome back to ScaleSpeedworks. My name's Mike. So when the question came out in the community about your oldest kit, I thought to myself, man, it's a good thing I just organized my kits and I have an Excel sheet to know where everything's at. Let's take a look. Some of these might be pretty unusual, but I think they're pretty damn cool as well. First one, from 1982, the Revell Ford EXP. Obviously this one's opened up. It's all in there, molded in a lovely orange color. All right, let's keep going. Up next, from MPC, 1982, Ford EXP. I have 4 of these. I'm pretty lucky. This is a really neat car. I know it's kind of unique, kind of unusual. Really, really cool and unique car from the 80s, from the early 80s. 1982. Let's go a year older. 1981 Ford Escort Turbo Street Machine. Sealed. I'm sure you guys can tell from the glare. Sealed kit. Pretty cool. 1981 MPC Dodge Omni 024. Really, really cool car. I also have a couple of these. '81 Dodge Omni. Let's see if I can even get this open. Oh yeah, there you go. Sealed. Ready to put the glass somewhere else, but it's all there. Let's keep going. It's another 1981 MPC Chevrolet Cavalier, the J car. MPC did this a lot back in the day, the wide body panels. Pretty cool. I don't know about how cool it is on this car, but still pretty cool. All right, let's see. Oh yeah, all packaged up there, nice and neat. Again, 1981. Let's keep going back in time. Sealed, monogram, citation. These cars have been re-released recently, or within the last maybe 10 or so years. Again, monogram. 1981 Chevy Citation Turbo. Revell Mercury Capri Turbo RS. Neat little car. Really neat little car. Let's take a look real quick. There it is, brand new. Tinted glass, wrapped up very nicely. And there's everything else, including the tires that are bagged. Cool. Right. AMT, Plymouth Horizon TC3. 1980, not as old as the Mercury Capri, but pretty damn close. 1980 AMT Plymouth Horizon. Did anybody really buy these back in the day? Like the real car, not the model kits. I don't know. Let's see what we got inside. We got some decals. Those are definitely no good. Glass looks amazing. There's a kit, still sealed. Look at those tires. Those have to be 13-inch tires. Those are tiny. Brand new. AMT Plymouth Horizon TC3, 1980. Finally, my oldest sealed kit, AMT Chevrolet Monza SS. This kit will bring you back to 1977. And I did not buy this back in the day. I bought this maybe 2 or 3 years ago. So I haven't owned it that long, but still sealed. And that's pretty cool. So 1977 AMT Chevrolet Monza SS. Now, the oldest kit I actually have in my collection might be a little bit of a surprise, but this is it right here. And this kit, again, was recently reissued. But this is the 1976 issue of the Monogram Mack Bulldog dump truck. Let's take a look inside. This box has definitely seen better days. There you go. It's all there. Unstarted. Maybe not. Engine's assembled. That's all right. But pretty cool. This is a pretty neat truck. If you guys haven't checked it out, Charlie Mack built one of these maybe a year or so ago. And I think he's actually building another one, or just built another one. So go check out Charlie Mack and his Mack Bulldog. But 1976, oldest kit in my collection. Let me switch gears and I'll pull out, I think, the coolest kit that I have. So I checked ScaleMates, and I think I might have been wrong about the oldest kit in my collection. I think this is the oldest kit in my collection. Obviously, this one's built. Obviously, it's seen better days. But this is a Jeepster. Now, this kit was updated and re-released. There goes another wheel. Not too long ago, as this, the Mountain Goat. But you can see this has the old, the newer front end, the square front end. And although many Jeep enthusiasts don't consider this a real Jeep, here it is. This one has the original, I believe it's 1960s, maybe early 1970s front end. So I don't know the exact date of manufacture of this kit. So this is probably the oldest kit in my collection, and I'm happy to have it. Let me get this cleaned up, and I'll pull out the kit that I believe is the absolute coolest kit that I have. This is what I believe is the coolest kit in my collection. You might be saying to yourself, what? A van? A panel van? How could that be the coolest kit in your collection? Well, this thing is freaking awesome. It's a resin kit. It has so many detailed parts, fantastic detailed instructions. I did an unboxing of this kit a year ago or so when I got it. But the detail on this is absolutely fantastic. It's a multi-piece body. All the parts there. But here's what makes this kit really cool. Well, let me take this out. So, really nice resin tires, really, really detailed. But here's what makes this kit so cool. These tires, I'm not going to use those. I'm going to use these tires. And the rims that are included in this kit, they fit these tires perfectly. So we're going to have some fun. This does have a dual rear axle. These tires are out of the Revell Jeep kit. 4 tires for the back. And then I have 2 tires up front and 1 spare. So I have plenty of these things. So there you go. These are going to look freaking amazing under there. Not only that, we got some air conditioners for the roof. I think I also have a roof basket for this one. I need to get myself a high lift jack. This is what I'm going to turn into a Class B motorhome. And not just any Class B motorhome, but a Mercedes-Benz 4-wheel drive turbo diesel Class B recreation van. This is going to be awesome. This is by far the coolest kit in my collection. That's all I have for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really, really appreciate it. Thank you to all of my subscribers. Thanks for watching. Thanks for commenting. I'll have some updates on the scale build of Gentleman coming up soon, and some other updates on my channel. So thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys on the next one.